Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge. This is Swapnil. In last video, I have explained about what is join in a KNIME and how you can use it, and what are the different settings that you can apply in a join so that you can join 2 or 3 tables. So in this video, I will show you the concept of, again, it's related to the join, but the point is now I will show you, because in last video I have not explained you about the left and right unmatched rows. Okay, so for that what I have done is, right now I have created two tables. So if you are not aware about the table creator, I have created videos so that you can watch it and then you will get the idea about what is table creator. So in the first table creator, I have created the sample data, which is nothing but the employee ID, and second table creator contains a data of employee ID as well as the department. Now if I join this on the, because both the table has an employee ID, right? So if I join this and if I unselect this and if I apply and execute, now it will show only 1 and 2 employee ID, and according to that there is a dedicated department. So because in the first table it has 1, 2 ID is a constant, it's same in both the tables. 3 is available on the first, but 1, 2, and here it is 5. The 5 is not available on the first table, so that's why first 2 records are available on both the sides, that's why it's showing. Okay, but if I select left unmatch and apply and execute, then it will show you all the data from the left hand side which is matching to the right hand side. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3, if you see 1, 2, 3 employee ID on the right hand side only has a 1 and 2, and department IT and finance. 3 is not available on this, so that's why it's showing only by using the left. It show all data from the left hand side. Simple. The concept is very simple. If you select left unmatched rows, then all the data from the left hand side will show and the matching data from the right hand side. Okay, so that's why. But if I say opposite to this, right and match, and then apply and execute, if you see all the data from the right hand side, which is 1, 2, and 5, matching with the left hand side, means 1 and 2. So IT, finance, and sale, and these are the data available. But if I want data, all these 3 data, so you have to just click on select and then apply it, and you will see 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 5, and accordingly. But if you want left join data on a separate section, left unmatched data on a separate, right unmatched on a separate, then what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to just tick on this and apply and execute. Now you will get matching data on of this particular section, left and match data, because 3 is not available on the second one, so that's why 3 is available over here, and right and match over here. Okay, so this is how you will get left or right and join related data in a separate sections. So I hope you like this video. You can apply the same settings as if you have a requirement like that. If you want to store a data according to the different scenarios, then you can use this joiner node. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.